Hi, this is Vadim. In this quick tutorial, we'll go from start to finish together. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. xAI GROK is built right into X, so the two work hand in hand. You can click on the GROK in the left menu and you will immediately get access to the AI. This native integration lets you open GROK right from the X sidebar without switching apps. What I especially like is that GROK can reference public posts on X and add real-time context to answers. For example, let's verify this post from Mario. The video seems AI generated. You can copy the URL, go to GROK, and ask, verify the news in this post and provide additional context on the topic, and then paste the URL. And in seconds, GROK will complete the validation and give you additional information on the topic. So no more fake news. Did you know that GROK has native connector to the X platform? To set up the connector, you log in into GROK Engine, go to Settings, select Account, and click Connect on the X account. You will go through Authorization step, and voila! In just seconds, your connector is working. So now you have a connection between GROK and X established. What can you do? Well, for starters, you can get instant market pulse, 5-second briefings. In the past, you have to go to X, in the search bar type #AI, and doom scroll all the news. Guess what? With the connector, you don't have to do it anymore. You go back to GROK. What are people saying about AI industry right now on X? Return top 3 trending news in the last hour, net sentiment up or down, and one short quote with the link. Keep under 90 words. And in seconds, you get top 3 AI trends on X for NVIDIA, Meta, and OpenMind.